Human respiratory system. In human beings, one pair of lungs are responsible for respiration. It is a energy producing system. Steps in respiration. Breathing. In breathing, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Let us observe the pathway of air. Nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, and alveoli. Air usually enters the body through the nostrils. Nasal cavity containing moisture surface to maintain the temperature of inhaling air and aids remove the dust particles. Pharynx. This is the common passage of digestive and respiratory system. Epiglottis partly closes when we swallow the food, so that the food enters into esophagus only. The lungs are situated upon the diaphragm. We know that breathing is the process of inhaling and exhaling, but the lungs did not do this thing by themselves. With the help of diaphragm and rib cage, the lungs do respiration. By contrasting the diaphragm, air enters into lungs, and by relaxation of the diaphragm, air went out to external atmosphere. Gaseous exchange at lungs level. Gaseous exchange takes place within the lungs by diffusion from the alveoli to blood and blood to alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by blood capillaries. The blood flows from the heart through these capillaries and collects oxygen from alveoli. At the same time, carbon dioxide passes out of the capillaries and enters into alveoli. Gas transport by blood. Oxygen enters into the blood and carried by binding with hemoglobin. As oxygen is diffused in the blood, it rapidly combines with the hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin. Gaseous exchange at tissue level. When oxyhemoglobin reaches to tissue, oxygen enters into the cell and get reacted with glucose molecule. In this reaction, carbon dioxide, water, energy are produced. Carbon dioxide combines with hemoglobin and returns back to lungs for exhale. Cellular respiration. When oxygen enters into the cell and reacts with glucose molecule to form carbon dioxide, water and energy. This process is called cellular respiration. In eukaryotic cells, cytoplasm and mitochondria are the site of the reactions. The produced energy is stored in mitochondria in the form of ATP. That is why mitochondria are called powerhouses of the cell. If glucose molecule produces carbon dioxide, water and energy in the presence of oxygen, this type of respiration is called aerobic respiration. If glucose molecule produces lactic acid and energy without oxygen, this type of respiration is called anaerobic respiration.